Zira.
And I am Erik.
And today we are making Liege Waffle, or in Netherlands we call it Liege Waffles.
Waffles from Belgium.
Yeah, there are two kinds of waffle. First is the Brussels one, and the other one is the Liege one. Yeah.
What's the difference between them, by the way?
The Brussels one is a little bit lighter than you fill in the mold.
Yeah, I agree.
A little bit lighter and better. You can fill in the mold as you bake them, and they're gonna come out fluffy. The one that we're making today is Liege waffle, where the batter is more dense,
More heavy, yeah.
yeah, and more sweet.
Oh yeah, got sugar in it. Sugar pearls.
Sweeter, yeah. It's gonna be denser, and it's shaped a little bit round. We also love this one. We also like the Brussels one.
The Brussels one is perhaps even more common, would you say?
Yeah, Brussels one is a bit more common, yeah.
Yep.
Because the batter is light. Let's check out the ingredients.
Let's start baking.
Okay, I don't organize ingredients very nicely, but I don't want to do more dishes. So let's see the ingredients. First we have yeast. And of course we need sugar. And warm milk. I put it in here because I need to warm it up a bit. So, because I'm going to mix it with yeast. And definitely some flours. Next is of course egg. This one. And the butter. Also I'm going to melt it. 85 grams. Definitely some salt for the flavor. And the ingredient, the secret ingredient for this Liege waffle is this full sugar that has a picture of Liege waffle on top of it. It's difficult to get it. So the secret ingredient is definitely this one. The pearl sugar that's specially made for Liege waffle. As you can see the picture here.
Yeah, it's even made in Belgium, this kind of sugar.
Yeah, so it's difficult to get. We have to order this online for this because it's only available for Liege waffle and some small other things. And of course vanilla extract for this aroma. I make this recipe for about 7 waffles, maybe less. We will see. If you want to have more, then you can easily double this or triple this, however you like it. Gonna warm up the milk to mix with the yeast.
Put it on the stove.
Yeah. Not to boil it or anything, just warm enough. You need to have this waffle iron. This is a cheap one we have. I want the fancy one that can flip around, but that's gonna take up big space and you don't know where to store them, so we just get this one. The flip one is better for Brussels waffles, but Liege waffle, this one is more convenient. So this is my half cup of milk. Gonna mix it with 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix it a bit.
Mixing it with the chopstick.
Yeah.
It's a great tool in the kitchen. Use it for all kinds of things besides eating.
Yeast time. I don't know how much exactly 1 teaspoon.
The package says this is enough for 500 grams of flour. If you're making bread, baking, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah, but this is waffle.
This is
so
waffle.
I would say this is 1 teaspoon. Just let it be in there. That's the yeast on top of the. Okay, we have mixed it, and then we let that rest for 5 minutes for.
The yeast to activate.
For yeast to activate.
In 5 minutes.
5 minutes. Set it aside. I melt the butter in the microwave for mixing later. I don't want it to be too hot, so I'm gonna let it chill.
It smells good.
Yeah, butter always smells good. Look at this yeast and milk. There's some interaction going on. Interaction.
Smells like bread, like fresh bread dough.
Yeah.
Delicious.
So, next we're gonna do is gonna break the egg. There you go. I'm gonna keep whisking when I drop the butter because I don't want it to cook. Very fast. Then we're gonna drop the butter slowly. And of course, bring this mixture of the yeast into the mix. Slow. I'm gonna put 1.5 cup of flour into the mixture. I'm gonna sieve it.
Sieving.
Sieving. So you don't get clumps in your mixture. Put the rest later. Okay, putting more.
Almost there.
Almost there. Oh, it's a plum. Teaspoon of salt. Vanilla extract. Okay. Half teaspoon to have this nice little fragrance. Mixing is getting a little bit tough now. Then we have to add 1/4 of flour more. Mix it first one. This. Everyone's mixed. I'm gonna use mixer. It's kind of crazy.
You switch the mixer?
Yeah, the kind, it's like spiral one.
Oh, that one.
Yeah, this is much better. Switch player.
And switch hand, go to the left hand.
Everything is mixed together. I'm gonna set it aside for yeast to react. Cover it with a cloth. Setting it aside.
For how long?
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
That 30 minutes has passed. Get this batter easily mold into your hand. And this Belgian sugar, pearl sugar. So this is going to go into the batter so they can mix together. Put everything. This is everything.
3/4 of a cup.
Yeah.
Belgian pearl sugar.
Yeah, it should. It's even everywhere. It's time to bake them.
Is it waffle cooking time?
Yes. I just turn it on. It's not hot yet. It's a bit hot. And I have to get my hand in here to make a ball.
Balls out of the dough.
Yeah. Butter, everyone. Oh, look, sizzling now. We're not going to make it square. Just going to put in the center and squish them into a round shape. Pull. I think this is good size, no?
Yeah, I think so. Not too big.
One bowl. Put it in the center like that and make another one. So you have two at the same time. I'm going to make this one slightly smaller because I don't know how good is enough. Okay, so that's it. Just like that. Then you squeeze them, waiting for it to cook.
How do you know when it's ready?
It's finished steaming and everything. I would say probably 5-6 minutes.
Cool.
Yeah. Let's see. There you go.
Wow.
That's done. Oh, that's what you want. Dance.
What is your favorite decoration?
I want strawberry and whipped cream.
Mmm.
Beautiful. You already put whipped cream. Another one. Gorgeous. Well, the whipped cream is cheap in here. It's like how much?
It's around €1, around 5 ringgit, I would say. $1 and a bit.
Yeah.
Pretty cheap.
Yeah. But it also ran out pretty quick.
Yeah, that's true. 30% fat. Don't eat too much of it. Yeah, that's right. You don't have to eat it with any decoration, just as it is good too.
Yeah.
But this is a special one, so we're gonna indulge.
Indulge.
Mm.
Is it nice?
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Can you eat 2 of that?
Absolutely, you can taste the pearl sugar, a little bit of vanilla.
Yeah.
Nice and sweet.
Yeah.
So if you want to check out this recipe, we put it in the description as well, so you can cook it back at home. This is our recipe. Hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and share it with your family and friends. Pretty sure your family wants to see this delicious recipe as well, so you can try it at home.
Yeah.
Bon appetit!
Bon appetit.